Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. In previous lectures we had discussed about number system, and in this session we will move on to the mental math. In the workbook we have covered the exercise from 16 to 27. Now today we will do it the exercise number 28, which is write the answer by calculating them orally. Here I have already solved these questions for you, and I will just give you the brief. How will you do it? For question number 1, what is the cost of 200 bricks if each brick cost rupees 1? We have already learned about multiplication in the previous standard. So this is the sum. These are the sums of multiplication. See, the cost of one brick has given, and you have to find out the cost of 200 bricks, right? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या होता है, कोई भी एक चीज़ की कीमत दी होती है, आपको दूसरी बल्क में वो सारी कीमत फाइंड आउट करनी है, राइट? सो हाउ विल यू राइट डाउन द स्टेटमेंट? Cost of one brick is equal to rupees 1. Then cost of 200 bricks is equal to, you will do the cross multiplication, 200 multiplied by 1. So your answer is rupees 200. Next, number 2. What is the cost of 100 bricks if each brick cost rupees 5? Each मतलब एक. Cost of one brick is equal to rupees 5. Each का मतलब होता है 1. So that's why we are writing here cost of one brick is equal to rupees 5. Then cost of 100 bricks is equal to 5 multiplied by 100. Do the cross multiplication, right? See, एक सिंपल सी चीज़, जब भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा आपको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. फाइन. एंड हियर 5 multiply by 100 and you will get rupees 500 as an answer. Number 3, if the cost of 200 brick is rupees 600, what is the cost of one brick? Now here, cost of one brick has not given, only the cost of 200 brick has given, right? So cost of 200, here you will write down the statement this way. Cost of 200 bricks is equal to rupees 600. Then cost of one brick is equal to question mark. See, 1 नीचे है, बाकी की 2 वैल्यू ऊपर है, तो what will you do? You will do in that time division. Fine. We have already learned about division in the previous standard, right? So what is division? Division में क्या होता है, हमें बल्क का प्राइस दिया होता है, एक का प्राइस फाइंड आउट करना है. सेम थिंग, 200 ब्रिक का प्राइस दिया एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द प्राइस ऑफ द वन ब्रिक. So 600 divided by 200. You can also write down this way, like this. 600 divided by 200. 0, 0 cut. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. See, so I have written your answer is rupees 3. Turn your page. On the next page, you will find out the question number 4. If 500 bricks cost rupees 750, what is the cost of 2 bricks? So here we need to find out the cost of one brick first. Okay. Cost of 500 bricks is equal to 750. So cost of one brick is equal to question mark. See, the bulk, price of the bulk has given and you need to find out the price of one thing, right? So here you will do the division. So जब ऐसे तो दिस इज द बिगर, हमेशा बड़े नंबर को पहले रखना है, राइट? डोंट फॉरगेट दैट. छोटे नंबर को after the division sign you will put. Fine. So 750 divide by 500. You can also put it that way, 0, 0 cut. Then 25 twos are 50 and 25 threes are 75. So 3 divide by 2. So your answer is 1.5. See here, तो 2 के टेबल में 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, which is a bigger number. So here 2 ones are 2, 1. Now put a decimal point and a 0. So 2 5s are 10. So your answer is 1.5. I have already written 1.5. So cost of 2 bricks is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 2 or 1.5 plus 1.5. Can you see that? 1.5 plus 1.5. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1 and 3. ये पॉइंट के पीछे 0 का कोई मतलब नहीं होता है. That's why it is rupees 3. Now next, so your answer, the cost, what is the cost of 2 bricks? The cost of 2 bricks is rupees 3. If 1 brick cost rupees 4 and 2000 is given to buy 400 bricks, then how much money will be paid back? So what is the question? If 1 brick costs rupees 4, you have given the cost of 1 brick and rupees 2000 is given to buy 400 bricks. Then how much money will be paid? यहाँ पे एक brick का price है और total कितने पैसे दिए for 400 bricks वो दिया है, तो कितने? Then how much money will be paid back? Paid back मतलब वापस करना, कितने पैसे उन्होंने वापस किए. So here we need to find out the cost of 400 bricks. So that's very simple. Look at here. Cost of 1 brick is equal to rupees 4. Then cost of 400 bricks is equal to question mark. See, the values are in cross, तो हम क्या करेंगे? Multiplication. When the values are in one line, तो हम क्या करेंगे? Division. But that's the simple trick to remember. See, so here is 400 multiplied by 4. So your answer is rupees 1600. How? Cover the 0. 4 4s are 16 and put the covered 0. So rupees, next is rupees 2000 is given to buy BUY 400 bricks, and cost of 400 bricks is equal to 1600, 1600 rupees, and money will be paid back is equal to rupees 2000 minus 1600 rupees. Whatever you have paid, that we will subtract from the money which you have given to buy 400 bricks. So here do the subtraction. 0 0 0 minus 0 0. Now 0 minus 6 not possible. Take a borrow. Here is a 10 and here is before 2 before 1. So 10 minus 6 is 4 and 1 minus 1 0. So here your answer is rupees 400. Look at here on this next exercise, which is complete the table on the basis of the detail given below. You are going to use the given detail and fill in the blanks. Number 1, where the number of bricks are given 300, then the price is 600. Okay, and number of bricks has given, you have to find out the price of the 400 bricks. Now this thing we will do it in a separate notebook. So concentrate here. Our first example. See, I am going to show you the question as well as the answer both. See, our first is this. Number of bricks are 300 and price of bricks is 600 rupees. So, cost of 300 bricks is equal to rupees 600. First, we need to find out here the cost of one brick. एक brick का price हमें find out करना ही है. So, cost of one bricks is equal to question mark. See, both the values are in a line, so we will divide it. 600 divided by 300. So, we can also write down this way, cut the 0. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So, your answer is rupees 2. Rupees 2 is the cost for one brick. Now, cost of one brick is rupees 2. Then what is here? The number of bricks has already given. So we need to find out its price. एक brick का price मिल गया. Now you can easily find out the price of the 400 bricks. So cost of 400 bricks is equal to question mark. Where these two values are in cross. So अभी हम क्या करेंगे? Multiplication. So 400 multiply by 2. Cover the 0. 4 2s are 8. So 800. So what's your answer? Rupees 800 for number 1. So that we will write down here also. Rupees 800. Now next is in the second number example, can you see that 200, number of bricks are 200 and price is rupees 900 and the number of bricks are 600 as given. We have to find out the price for 600 bricks. That's very simple. Using these two values, first we'll find out the cost of the one brick as before. Cost of 200 bricks is equal to rupees 900. Then cost of one brick is equal to question mark. Fine. So, do the division. See, यहाँ पे 900 is a bigger value. Bigger value will be written before the division sign. 900 divided by 200. Cut the common 0, 2 and 9. Do the division like this. See, you are getting the decimal numbers. That's super easy. 9 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 is left. Put a decimal point and a 0. 2 5s are 10. So your answer is 4.5. So what is the value for one brick? 4.5. Now you can easily find out the cost for 600 bricks, which is here 600 bricks. So cost of one bricks is equal to rupees 4.5. Then what is the cost of 600 bricks? Fine. So क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा. सी 1 इज देयर, 1 को हमें कहीं कंसिडर नहीं करना है. दीज आर इन द क्रॉस, दिस एंड दिस वैल्यू आर इन क्रॉस. सो यू विल डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 4.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 600. सी हियर इज अ 600, कवर द 0 एंड डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 6 5s are 33. Put a point. 6 4s are 24. And 3 27. There is no value of 0 after the point. So you will put the 2 0. So what is the price for 600 bricks? It is 2700. So here we will write down the answer 2700. Next is number 3, which is number of bricks are 100. And the price of the bricks is 1000. Here there is a twist. Number of bricks has not given. The price of the bricks has given. So that's very simple. First you will find out the cost for the one brick. Cost of 100 bricks is equal to this. Then cost of one brick is equal to question mark, as just like before. So 1000 divided by 100. See. So here is a 10. 10 divided by 1 means always 1. There is no value of 1 in the denominator. Here number of bricks buy for rupees 10 is 1. 10 रुपए की एक ब्रिक खरीदते हैं तो 3000 की कितनी होगी? बेसिकली यहाँ पर हमें नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स फाइंड आउट करना है, तो हमें वो इस तरह से करेंगे. नाउ 3000 डिवाइड बाई 10. अभी ये कैसे हुआ? आपने बोला मैम ऊपर नीचे है तो कैसे? तो बेसिकली ये क्या होता है, इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा. तो 3000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 मीन्स 3000 एंड डिवाइड बाय 10. तो उसको 10 से डिवाइड करें बिकॉज 3000 रुपीज़ है आपको और उसको डिवाइड करना है. मैंने आपको दो चीज़ें समझाई थी कि भाई व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द डिविजन, व्हेन यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन, during that time you will do the division, and when you want to divide something equally, during that time you have to do the division. यहाँ पे हम 10 रुपीज़ में 3000 को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. So we'll cut the zero, common 110, then 300 bricks is remain. So it's your answer. Now number 4, here is 300 bricks. Now number 4, 400 as given and 1000 as given, which is the price of the 400 bricks. So first we will find out the cost of one brick. Cost of 400 bricks is equal to 1000. Then what is the cost of one brick? तो यहाँ पर देखो 1000 डिवाइड बाय 4, 0 0 कॉमन थे, कट कर दिया, 10/4. अब इसका डिविजन करते हैं. तो 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 12 is bigger, so 4 2s are 8, 9 10. अभी डिविजन नहीं हो सकता है. पुट अ पॉइंट एंड 1 0. Now 20 is bigger than 4. Division is possible. 4 5s are 20. So 2.5, right? तो ये क्या हुआ? This is we got the cost of one brick, which is 2.5 rupees. 2.5. Now number of brick buy for 2.5 is 1. 2.5 रुपये में 2.5 रुपीज़ में हमें एक ब्रिक मिलता है. Then we have to find out number of bricks buy for rupees 2000. तो 2000 में कितने bricks मिलेंगे? Here we are going to do the division and we will get the answer 800. Okay, now number 5, 500 and 5000, right? So 500 and 5000, same thing. First we will find out the cost of, first we will find out the cost of 500 bricks, which is 5000. Then cost of one bricks is equal to question mark. Do the division and you will find out rupees 10 is the cost for one brick. Now you have to find out the number of bricks. Number of bricks buy for rupees 10 is 1. Then number of brick buy for rupees 500 is, you will do the division, cut, and here is a 50 bricks. You will buy 50 bricks for that. Now we'll move on to the next question, which is solve the problem, where it is a word problem, number stories kind of question. Your number 1 question is, one truck carries 2500 bricks and second truck carries 3500 bricks. How many total bricks are there in both the trucks? So here you have to find out the total bricks of the two trucks. So what will you do for that? When you during that time you have to do the addition, right? आपको इसका और इसका ये दोनों नंबर मिला के फाइंड आउट करना है, मतलब दोनों ब्रिक्स को ऐड करना है, एंड देन यू विल फाइंड आउट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स. Look at here. Here is the, I put the statement with the values. Here the number of brick in first truck is 2500 and number of brick in second truck is 3500. After doing this, you will do the addition. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 6. So these are your total bricks. So your answer is 6000 bricks are there in both the trucks. There are 6000 bricks in both the trucks. Now we'll move to the second number question. Your second number question is, there are 1500 bricks in one truck and 4500 bricks in another truck. what is the difference between the number of brakes both the trucks. Okay, here they told us to find out the difference between the number of brake in both the truck. So first difference matlab minus. So here we are performing the sum of the minus, and we can say that where 4,500 which are brakes in second number truck and 1,500 brakes in first number truck. After doing the subtraction, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 4 minus 1, 3. 3,000 which is more number of brakes, more brakes in second number truck, whereas we can also say that number 1 truck has 3,000 brakes less as compared to truck number 2. So your answer is 3,000 brakes. Now question number 3. If a truck can carry 2,000 brakes, then how many such trucks are needed to carry 6,000 brakes? Here we need to find out the number of trucks who can carry 6,000 bricks. Here, which thing has given? A truck can carry 2,000 bricks. A truck means one truck. So, number of truck needed for carrying 2,000 bricks is equal to 1. मतलब एक ट्रक ज़रूरत पड़ती है इतनी bricks के लिए. Then number of truck needed for carrying 6,000 bricks is equal to question mark. तो here we will do the division. 6,000 को divide करना है 2,000 में, मतलब equal portion में divide करेंगे 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. Then we will find out. एक part मतलब 2,000 मतलब one truck. Another 2,000 means, so this way we will divide 6,000 divide by 2,000. See all the zeros you can cut, and here 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. 2 and 2 are common, so we will cut that. 3 upon 1, so your answer is 3. So we needed 3 trucks. Let's move to the number 4, which is if a truck can carry 4,500 bricks, then how many such trucks are needed to carry 9,000 bricks? This is the same question as before. Here a truck can carry 4,500 bricks. So we will write down the statement similarly as the previous example. Number of truck needed for carry 4,500 bricks is equal to 1. The number of trucks needed for carry 9,000 bricks is equal to question mark. Just divide the 9,000 by 4,500 and see, cut the zero, extra जो common zero है उसको cut करो. Then 45 2s are 90 and 41 1s are 41. So cut the 45 and you will get the answer 2. So your answer is 2 trucks. Number 5, we'll move to the number 5, which is quite easy. If 3 similar trucks carry 12,000 bricks, then how many bricks are there in one truck? See, number of trucks has given and number of brick in them is already mentioned. Now, number of, how will you write down the statement? You have to find out the number of bricks in one truck. So, number of bricks carry in 3 trucks is equal to 12,000. Number of bricks carry in one truck is equal to question mark. See, we have done this kind of thing over here. यहाँ पे हमने एक brick की price find out करी थी. Same thing we have done it here. We are finding the bricks in one truck. 3 trucks में इतनी है तो 1 में कितनी है? So 12,000 divided by 3. See, so हम कवर कर देते हैं 0 को. तो 12 मतलब 4 3s are 12. तो 4 के पीछे 3 0 लगा दिए. तो 4 3s are 12 means 12,000. 3 3 will cut. and 4,000 upon 1. So 4,000. So how many bricks are there in one truck? In one truck there are 4,000 bricks. Now we'll move to the number 6. The number 6. So if 4 similar trucks carries 10,000 bricks, then how many bricks are there in one truck? Same like above, number of bricks in 4 trucks is equal to 10,000. The number of bricks in one truck is equal to question mark. So 10,000 divided by 4. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? वी आर गोइंग टू कवर 100. तो 25 4 100 होता है. फाइन. सो वी आर पुटिंग द कवर 0 over here and cut the 4. You will get the 2,500 bricks as an answer. So there are 2,500 bricks in a truck. So this is it for this session. Next time we will do more exercise based on the mental math, and I will see you next time. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.